What Say Sharp Uzit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SA Ski. We bring you the latest sports updates, and we're on all social media platforms. We're known as Everything SA Ski. And on this one today, we got you Kaiser Chiefs starting 11 in the Cruz 4-3-3 system. A new Kaiser Chiefs head coach Fernando de Cruz is likely to have introduced a new technical system ahead of the 2026-2027 Betway Premiership season. Kaiser Chiefs could line up in a new look 4-3-3 formation under their new coach Fernando de Cruz next season. The Frenchman is expected to stamp his authority on the squad as he prepares the 2026-2027 Betway campaign. Additionally, former Amakosi coach Khalil Ben Yusuf recently revealed that the Cruz exclusively worked with the 4-3-3 during his time with the Royal Moroccan Football Federation. The system focuses on quick ball movement, attacking with depth, and a hard-working midfield. Sources close to the club believe the Cruz wants to implement the formation at Naturena. The coach reportedly believes the system suits the technical quality of South African football players. Furthermore, the tactical switch could also reshape several positions within the squad. For some players may be asked to take an unfamiliar role to fit the new system. Expected Tutuzi Shabalala to drop into a deep central role rather than operating as a traditional number 10. Instead of playing behind the strikers, Shabalala could feature as an advanced number 8. The role would allow him to carry the ball through the midfield, support attacks, and help link defense with the front three. The heart of defense is new arrival Thabo Moloisane alongside Rushun Dotley, who returns from a long-term injury to replace the depth. Aiden McCarthy up front will be the Nigerian international striker Egodoro from a long-term injury layoff. Expect Egodoro to be the first choice ahead of Salvo de Silva, but a player who has done well last season thanks to Egodoro's better quality with the ball at his feet. And this is the squad predicting starting lineup if the Cruz sticks with his prepared 4-3-3 formation. Kaiser Chiefs could line up as follows. In goalkeeper, we'd have Brendan Peterson, right back Dylan Solomons, right center back Thabo Moloisane, left center back Rushun Dotley, left back Bradley Cross, as defensive midfielder Lebohang Mabua, central midfielders Pisihle Ndlovu, and central midfielder Mduduzi Shabalala. Left winger Asenele Velebai, and right winger could be Claude Lepo, but he has been rumored or has left the club. Striker, it would seem to be Ikadoro. Thank you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought down below the comment section. However,
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is